Good afternoon, back in Clacton-on-Sea in the school holidays. Out with the yellow boards once again. Our regular spot. Got a few of the usuals again. Been a good day so far, how many?
231, we've only been in just over half an hour.
There you go then. And these are our older boards on a quieter day. And one's just fallen down. So imagine what it's like when the schools are coming along here. It gets really busy. And the wind has got us today. Defend our borders, well, we need to do better than that, don't we? A lovely day today, bit windy as I say, but we're still here doing our stuff. And don't forget to scan the code.